Now that I've been working with indices for a while, you might come across the terminology power of a power. But what is power of a power? Well, today we're going to find out. So let's begin. So what I have in front of me right now is what we refer to as a power of a power. You'll notice that I've got a base here that has been raised to the power of 3. Then that whole indice has been raised to the power of 2. So let's begin to break this down. Now we already know that if we raise something to the power of 2, it simply means that we're going to multiply whatever we've raised by itself 2 times. Now what that means is we have 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by 2 to the power of 3. When we're multiplying exponents with the same base, we keep that base and we add the exponents. So that is 2 to the power of 3 plus 3, which will be equal to 2 to the power of 6. Now I want you to consider the same problem for a moment. We've got 2 to the power of 3 raised to the power of 2. If we take the base and multiply the exponents like this, we end up with 2 to the power of 6, which is the answer that we had before. Interesting. Let's take a look at another problem. Here in front of me now, I have 3 to the power of 5, all raised to the power of 4. If we were to write this out, that is equal to 3 to the power of 5 multiplied by itself a total of 4 times. Now, we know that when we multiply the same base together with the powers, that we need to add the powers together. So we keep the same base, and that's going to be 3 to the power of 5, add 5, add 5, add that last 5. When we add these together, that is equal to 3 to the power of 20. But let's try what we did before. Well, we had 3 raised to the power of 5 all to the power of 4. If we take that same base and multiply the exponents together, we end up with 3 to the power of 20, which is what we had before. And that is where our rule comes in, where if we have a power like we had here, raised to another power, such as this 4 here, we keep the same base and we multiply the exponents together. And that will give us our simplified solution. So here I have 4 other problems that I want you to have a go at applying that rule yourself. The last one here, you might have to simplify inside the brackets before you use the power raised to another power rule.